Good morning, all of you.
Morning, sir.
So, today we are going to discuss about sums which are given in exercise 6.1. Okay. Yesterday also we have discussed some examples, isn't it? So now, here also in this, whatever the concept which is useful, what we have learnt earlier, that means vertical opposite angles are equal, linear pair angles means 180, and adjacent angles. These are all the definitions we are going to use to solve these problems. Understood? And everyone is completing your CWs or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Monday I am going to verify your CWs. Be ready with your definitions and everything. So children, see here in the first question, in the figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degrees and angle BOD equals to 40 degrees, find angle BOE and the reflex of angle COE. See, I will draw the diagram, then you will understand very easily. See, for that exercise problems, don't need to write down the question. Directly solutions you have to write down in your CW. Understood? And now, look at here. Here, the two lines AB and CD. There are two lines, children, here. One is AB. This is AB line. And another one is CD. Like this, CD. This is CD line, which intersect at O. This is O. Isn't it? And from O, he has drawn another ray also. OE ray, another ray he has drawn. Okay, this is the diagram. Are you clear? In this diagram, what is given here? Given that angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degrees. And angle BOD is equals to 40 degrees. And then he asked to find angle BOE. Angle BOE equals to question mark. And also reflex of COE. Reflex of angle COE also he has to find. This is the question. Isn't it? Let us see. See children, AB and CD are two lines which are intersected at O, and OE is the angular ray. What is given first one? AOC plus BOE. Where is AOC, ma? AOC, this angle, plus BOE, this angle. Am I right?
Yes.
That equals how much they gave?
70.
This plus this 70 means how much this is? How much this is?
40.
40. This angle plus this angle equal to 70. Then this angle, can anyone guess it?
Sir, 110.
110. Because of it is totally straight angle, na? So that's done. In part of solution, here angle AOC plus COE plus BOE is equals to 180 or not?
Yes.
Because it's a straight angle. That's what I am writing here. Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE equals to 180 degrees. Why? Since straight angle. Are you clear? Straight angle. And now angle AOC plus angle BOE. Angle COE plus, instead of these two, shall I write 70?
Yes.
Because it is 70 is given now. So 70 is equals to 180. Then angle COE equals to how much? 180 minus 70, that equals to 110. Does he ask to find angle COE? Does he ask to find angle COE? He asks to find reflex of COE. Do you know what is meant by reflex of COE? Reflex of COE means complete angle. For suppose this is COE. COE. Reflex of COE means this angle. Are you clear? So, one angle and its reflex always 360. One angle and its reflex of that angle always 360 degrees. Then only it will complete one complete angle. So, angle COE plus reflex of angle COE equal to 360. Now, angle COE 110 plus reflex of angle COE equal to 360. Now, tell me what is reflex of angle COE?
250.
Yes, 360 minus 110, that equals to 250 degrees. So one thing here I found. What is another thing you asked to find? BOE. Where it is? BOE you asked to find. How will you get BOE now? BOE, this angle. Huh? See, BOE, this angle. Think once.
70 minus x.
70?
Minus x.
70 minus x. Totally 70, but x value? Anything else? No problem if you have any idea. Look at here. So,
110 plus 40.
look at here.
110 plus 40, 150. 180 minus 50.
180 minus 50. How it is? 180 minus. Okay, let us see. I will tell what it is. See, this angle and this angle will be equal only, na?
Yes.
Are you clear? Because of these are what?
Vertical.
Vertical opposite angle. I am taking this one as x. Then this is how much?
X.
X. If it is x, can you guess how much this is? 70 minus x. Are you clear? 70 minus x only, na? Because of this angle plus this angle is 70 degrees it is given. So, look here. Like,
Sir, angle BOD is given.
angle?
40 degrees.
Oh, angle BOD is given 40 degrees, then no need to go for any other thing. BOD, where is BOD? This is 40. Okay. So, angle BOD and angle AOC equal, na? Here, angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. But angle BOD equals to how much the measure is given?
40.
Therefore, angle AOC is equal to how much?
40.
40 degrees. Since angle BOD equals to 40. Now angle AOC 40 means angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degrees it is given. So AOC 40 degrees we got it. 40 plus angle BOE equals to 70. Therefore angle BOE equals to how much? 30 degrees. This is it. Okay. I didn't observe that angle BOD is given. If angle BOD is given means very simple. If not also we can get it. This is x, this is x. Now this plus this equals to 180 we will do like that also. No problem. Anyway we can do it. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Come on, note down all of you. Those two are not working. Okay. Here, I'm not going to explain all the sums, man. Some problems I'm going to give just oral explanation. Just in the diagram itself I will say you have to solve by your own. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But second problem I will explain now. Whatever the sum somewhat easy, I will not give a descriptive proof. See, these sums are not only follow this same method. You have to do your own method also, no problem. Sometimes some other reason also we may apply. Just now this girl is telling. And now second one. Lines x, y and mn intersect at O. Same. X, y. This is the line x, y and mn. This is the line m and intersect at O. If angle, another thing also it is given. Some ray which is perpendicular it is given. So angle POY is 90 degrees. POY. Obviously this symbol indicates 90 degrees only, na? So it is 90 degrees. And also we have given this one is A and this one is B and this angle is C is given. This angle is 7. What is given? C. So first write given information, children. What is the information which we have here? Given that angle POY is equal to 90. And also another information is A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. And then he has to find C. And then he has to find the value of C. Isn't it? Okay. If POY is 90, then POX is how much?
9.
Generally it is also 90 only, because it is a straight line, and also one angle is 90 means another one is 90 only. So as angle POY is equals to 90, so angle POX is also 90. Leave it. That is no need to write the reason. That is very simple. Because when the two lines are perpendicular, if it is 90 means this is also 90 only. But in the diagram, POX is nothing but A plus B only.
Yes, sir.
So therefore A plus B is equals to 90. Okay. Now let A equals to 2x I am taking, B equals to 3x I am taking. Why? Since A is to B equals to 2 is to 3. Therefore the ratio is given 2 is to 3 now. So that I am taking A value as 2x and B value as 3x. The sum is 90 only now, because the total is now 90. So 2x plus 3x how much?
5x.
5x equals to 90, then x equals to 18. X equals to 18. Therefore, A equals to how much? 2 into 18, 36. B is equals to how much? 3 into 18, 54. But you asked to find C. Now let us, what is the relation between B and C? Straight angle only, na? B, C. This is B and this is C. Totally straight angle because this is a straight line. So based on B value, we can able to find C or not? Now here B plus C equals to 180. Since linear pair or straight angle, no problem. Anything you can write. Linear pair. But B value how much we got it here, ma'am?
54.
So 54 plus C equals to 180 or not?
Yes.
Then C is equal to how much? 180 minus 54 equals to how much? 126. This is the value of C. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Come on, now down. See, okay, this one you can leave like that. Third problem, see all of you. Just verbal I will give, you have to write your own answer. What is given? This is the triangle is given. Like this he has extended. This is P, Q, R, and it is given S and it is given T. See children, angle PQR equals to PRQ. PQR, this angle equals to PRQ. This angle is given. This angle equal to this angle is given. Then prove that PQS, this angle equals to PRQ. This angle you have to prove. How? See, this angle is equal to this angle is given. Leave aside that one. Now let me know this angle plus this angle how much children?
180.
That means angle PQR plus angle SQ or else PQS. PQS is equal to 180 only, na?
Yes, sir.
In the same way, PRQ plus PRT equals to 180 or not?
Yes, sir.
Angle PRQ plus angle PRT is also 180, na?
Yes, sir.
When this is 180 and this is 180, these two will be equal or not?
Yes, sir.
So what we got it? This plus this. Angle Q plus angle PQS is equals to angle R plus angle PRT. Now this and this are equal. It is given in the question itself. It is given. This angle and this angle equal is given. Na? So shall we cancel these two? Finally, what we got it? PQS is equals to PRT. Hence it is proved. That only has to prove. See here. Angle PQS equals to angle PRT. Here only one property, straight angle property only we use. Isn't it?
Yes.
Is there or not?
Yes.
Like fourth problem also easy only. That also you have to do. Third and fourth problem homework for you. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Second problem, all of you note it down now. Fast. I think this one no need. Okay? So just come on, note down.